Alright, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to another vlog. So today we're starting off the day in the Z. I'm just gonna drive down the street and show you guys one of the other issues that I'm having with this car. I looked it up and it seems like the issue that I'm having isn't just something that's for this car that I've been having. Like, it's not just this car that's having this issue, it's a lot of other cars. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive it down the street, I'm gonna get it up to speed, and then you guys can see, you guys will be able to hear, I hope, what the issue is. I know that one of my shocks is bad, my rear right one, but this one's not related to that. You'll see when we get started though. Guys, so we're in the garage, we have the Z in here, and I'm hoping that you guys were able to hear what the issue was. I think it's the dust shield rubbing against probably the brake disc or maybe something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off this wheel and hope that I find out what the issue is from doing that. If not, then it could just be worn down brake pads. I'll have to pull off the brake caliper just to see that. And then I might as well do a suspension check as well, because I don't know what the deal is with the suspension on this side, but it's you guys probably hear that too every time the suspension compressed. Like, either the shock's bad or it's leaking, something's going on, I don't know. So I will try to give you guys a time lapse of that, but we know how my phone is with time lapses, so I will see you guys after the time lapse and when I figure out what the issue is. You can see there's an even gap around the entire edge of this, and it does come back a little bit. I don't know what the reason behind that is, but you can see there's a little divot right here that I should be able to bend out. Okay, that one's good, and then there's like no clearance right here. Like, you go, and I can barely fit a screwdriver, so we're going to bend that down a little bit. So now there's more of a gap here. I can fit the entire screwdriver through. I still need to add a little bit more of a gap on this side. See. I think it's good now. It's not rubbing, it's not doing anything. I can't spin the rotor though, since this car is a rear-wheel drive. I won't be able to spin the rotor without like releasing the handbrake and putting the car in neutral or something, but the car is only being stopped by a block of wood right now, so I'm not trying to have it just like come off the jack and just roll into my house. As you can see, I faced it that way, so that might be an issue. But I'm hoping this resolves this issue. Maybe I'll take like a couple of pairs of pliers and I'll like even this out and then maybe pull these out a little bit more and see if that helps. If anything, I might, like, these brake pads look like they've got like they're good right now, so it's not like I need new ones at this point. my brakes are like hella dusty right now, so there'd be no point in cleaning that off since this car is just gonna get dirty again anyways, just driving out of my house. But I might just do a full wash one day and then see how that goes. But I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit and just like take pliers or something, bend this down, and then we'll figure out what the deal with this is. Alright guys, so we're back in the garage. Sorry I had to take a little jump cut there, but one of my friends called me. I promised that I'd go see her at work today because it's like her last week being here. So I was gonna go do that, and then I completely forgot to update you guys. So for the Z, I put it back together, everything seems like kosher, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to measure. I got my little measuring tape right here, and I'm gonna measure. Let me cut myself off there, but I'm just gonna measure the gap between my tire and my fender. I don't want it to rub, but I just want to get maybe like a small little spacer so that maybe it'll be more flush, and then I'll do the same thing in the back, even though the back looks way better than the front. It's just that I need an alignment, and I don't know how it's gonna fit after the alignment, but I'll measure this and then I will get right back to you guys. You know what, I think I'm gonna hold off on this because I don't exactly know like the whole technique to measuring these things. So I measured from tire to fender, and I don't think that's right because then I'll probably end up rubbing. So either I get something a couple millimeters smaller, or I gotta just figure it out and just hope that I buy the right ones. So I measured the front, it's 3 centimeters off, the back is like 1.5, so I could just like bite the bullet and just pay whatever it is and just buy them, but I just want it to be right, I don't want it to be wrong, so maybe I will look online right now and see how much they are. If they're cheap, oh well. If not, then I will just I'll hold off on it, maybe watch some YouTube videos, do something about it, and then just see if I can find something that actually fits for this car. Something that like, well, not something that fits, something that's like, something that I know will actually make the wheels flush with the fenders. I know I bought really big tires for this. I don't want to have to deal with like being really low or whatever and having to run stretch tires and be worried about all that. So yeah, that's pretty much that. So I will see you guys once we hop in the car and are heading to my friend's work. And then right after that, I think I'm going to head to the gym. Alright guys, so we're in the Miata now, and I'm gonna head to my friend's work. It is currently 1:30, almost 1:30. So she just started like 15 minutes ago again. She just got off of her break. That's when she called me. I'm glad she reminded me because I definitely would have forgot. I'm glad I told her to tell me. But so I'm gonna head over there, maybe just pull a little prank on her. Let's see if she falls for it. She works at Baker's, so I mean she's quitting soon, so it's not like it matters if I tell you guys, but she works at Baker's, which is right next to my gym conveniently. But we have a bet that I have to finish a Frynormus before she leaves, let's say that. So it's a ½ pound of potatoes in a bag. Basically it's just a bag of fries, so I have to go finish that. So I'll probably buy a Sprite or something so I can wash it down, or I should be healthy and get water, but like alright, so I will pick it up when I get there. It's about a 10-minute drive. I'm gonna let the car heat up a little bit. The temperature gauge is moving up a little bit, so, and I'm pretty sure the thermostat's broken in this car anyways because it just moves up and sits in the same place and the car overheats. Alright, but I will catch you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we're here in the drive-thru. I'm hoping she's the one on the, oh, it sounds like it's her. So let me pick it up once we get up there. And we're pulling up. This is literally 3 seconds later.
Welcome to Baker's. May I take your order, please?
Hi, can I get a McChicken?
We have chicken sandwiches.
I want a McChicken though.
We have grilled chicken.
But I want a McChicken. Hey, I'm you. Let me get a Frynormus and let me get a medium Sprite.
Okay.
Alright, thank you, that's it.
You're welcome, 828.
I never told you guys what the bet was, so I brought this just so I could drink it, but I might have told you guys what the bet was. But this is a Frynormus. Basically it's a ½ pound of fries. Like, okay, look, I have pretty big sized hands, and this bag is bigger than my hand. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all of this. I'm gonna try, but we'll see how that goes. I'll let you guys know what the progress is. I'm just kind of sitting in the Baker's parking lot at this point because it's too hot to go sit somewhere and eat it. and I have to go to the gym after, so I will pick this up once I finish this, hopefully. Little update for you guys. It's been 15 minutes and the entire thing was full, and now there's that much left. I'm gonna go to the gym and then finish that after, even though it's completely counterproductive and there's like most of my soda left. So my gym's literally over that way. So I'm gonna head over there and I will see you guys once we get there. Alright, so we made it to the gym. I'm not gonna finish this. I'm gonna just put it over there down out of the heat. And I'm gonna go do my workout. I'll probably be done by, say, 4 o'clock or so, since it's 2:11. And I will see you guys once we're done. I'm definitely skipping cardio today because I'll probably throw up. So I will see you guys once we get out. Okay, so we just got done at the gym. It is now 3:30. Got done a half hour early. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna finish the fries that are now sitting on my floor, and I'm gonna head home. My friend just texted me, I want you to send me a picture of the empty bag. Okay. So I'm gonna finish this, I'm gonna head home, and then for the Z, I couldn't find any spacers. I need to remeasure that and figure it out. Maybe I'll just get an alignment, and then after the alignment I can measure it. It'll probably be more accurate. So maybe I'll just hold off on that. And then I want to put my old fuel door actuator in and see if that works properly, because I was just messing with it a little bit ago, like when I was at home, and I noticed that it's actually like sticking like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna see if I could possibly reuse that. I'm hoping I can, but if not, I mean, no big deal. I'll just grab a new one like I've been intending to do for the last few months. So I will catch you guys when I finish this and when I get home. Okay guys, so it is 6:30 now, and I'm back at the house, as you guys can see. For the Z, I'm basically just gonna try to put in the fuel door actuator again, which is conveniently sitting on top of this car. So the problem was that this pin broke off, so I did actually glue it back in, and I haven't looked at it in a couple weeks, so I'm guessing that it should be holding on its own now. I don't know how well that's gonna work, so I'll mount you guys somewhere and you guys can see. You guys probably won't be able to see it because it'll be inside of the car and it's just gonna be a hassle to record it. So I'll pick it up once I get this back in there.